To begin this short journey of awareness, find a position where you feel completely comfortable. There is no right or wrong way to sit or lie down. What matters is that your body feels supported. When you feel ready, gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and let it go. Let your awareness begin to turn inward. Start by listening to your body, its weight supported by the surface beneath you. Feel the pull of gravity. Feel the points where your body touches the ground. What else can you notice? What is it like to simply be in your body in this moment? Observe, accept, allow what is. There is no need to change anything. No judgment, only presence. Bring a sense of kindness and acceptance to all that you notice. Let it be. Now begin to bring gentle awareness to your breath, noticing its natural rhythm. Feel the inhale and the exhale. Notice where you feel the breath most clearly, in your chest, in your nose, or in your belly. Whatever you find, accept it fully. There is no goal here. Just observe and be. As you rest in this awareness, bring compassion into your heart. Stay connected to your breath and to your body. Now allow your awareness to gently expand, perceiving the space around your body. Sense the air around you, the stillness, the gentle presence of the objects in the room. Let everything be. Let yourself be. If your mind starts to wander, don't worry. Just gently bring it back to the breath and to the present moment. Feel the connection between your breath, your body, and this moment. You are here, fully, now. Let everything be as it is, including you. Now, begin to bring your attention back. Start by gently rolling your shoulders. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Notice the return of physical sensations. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Carry this feeling of calm presence with you as you return to the world around you. Well done. Thank you for sharing these moments with yourself. We wish you peace and a beautiful day.